How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. Little pre-market trading. Going live for a change. Haven't done it in a little while. Trading 3 micros. Down 200. Looking for... well, looking for more, obviously. But, looking to do a pullback into the 9. Then keep moving up. Maybe take out the high. London high, I guess it is. Or the overnight high. Either way. See if we're going to get it. God knows. See what's going to happen here. We're going to get below that 9 or we're going to hold it. It looks like it kind of wants to squeeze back up to take out these highs, but I don't know. We'll see. This is our Elite Trader funding. We almost got past. We have probably 400 to go. So we'll see what happens. We will see. I think it squeezes up, but 6 seconds left on this candle. It could pull back more, so we're just going to watch it. If it pulls back more, we'll probably just get out. But we're at the 80. This Fair Valley Gap 2 on the 15 minute. Probably at the... what is that at? We're at 34, 2 on the 15 minute, so probably at 72. So we'll see. If we get a bounce here, if we get a bounce, maybe we'll stay in. If we don't, then we'll just get out. But or we might buy 3 more down here if it holds. This is gonna hold. Don't you know? We're into that Fair Valley Gap now on the 15. There's 27 contracts at 23,200, so maybe that's our draw. But if we get to 200, can't see why we can't get this high. I'm just saying. 3 minutes left on the 5 minute candle. We're gonna try 3 more. See if that helps us. If it don't, oh well. It is what it is. But we're gonna see. See what we get. I think it squeezes up and takes out the 23,227s, but don't know. Oh, I should share those links too, I suppose. not copy. Okay, that looks crazy. Why does it look like that? There you go. Elite Trader funding is 80% off right now. Pretty sure it's 80. Keyboard's acting weird. Yeah. Elite Trader funding is 80% off. Use the link. And Take Profit Trader is 40% off. No activation fee, no daily loss limit, and you get your retest refunded after you get your first payout. So it's pretty good. So it's pretty good. We got no news really today. Crude oil inventories at 12, but no red folder news, so market shouldn't be too crazy today. We get this push up to the 227s, be nice. Looks like we might. Excuse me. We're at the 180s. Something that makes me nervous. We can't push back up. I think we can. Feels like we will, but we'll see. That's where we'd like to sell. Be up here if it pumps. But it might not. Crappy deal, man. Crappy deal. But it's been doing this all morning. This crazy dump and pump stuff, so see, let's give it a second. Let's give it a second first. Yes, looks like it's trying to push back up. Two minutes left on this candle, so it could definitely wick back up. All depends, man. See what it wants to do. Keep selling down. Get down around 250, I'm probably going to get out because that'll be around the 34. But it might bounce off the 34 to 5 minutes, so we'll see. But it looks pretty. There's a bit of strength behind it by the looks of it. Next key level really on this is probably the 145, so 145s to be down around the VWAP. So maybe it does come down there. We don't know. Tunch new. 20 seconds left. If it closes down at the bottom, you might have to get out. Yeah. Willy well. Yeah, I don't know how long Take Profit Traders doing their deal for. The retest or the test money back. I don't know how long they got that on for, but I heard it was 10 days, but I'm not really sure. If you need any accounts with them, please use code JW, and I definitely would get some sooner than later because you're not going to want to miss out on that. Is this going to pump back up, or is it just going to dump? Should probably got out of this anyway, but I don't know. I feel like it's gonna, when it moves back up, it's gonna have some strength to it. I could have got out and waited and entered later, but I don't know. 3 minutes on this 5 minute candle. It could be back up here within those 3 minutes, right? Especially if it squeezes fast, so it's worth the waiting. I think it wants those highs more than it wants anything else. And it's kind of an inverted fair value gap, or inverted head and shoulders now, where it's just a dot. Because here it's kind of like a shoulder, it's kind of like the head, it's kind of like the other shoulder. So that would be realistic to push back up here. So maybe we'll just wait for that and see if it happens. Hopefully it does. And then this account would be, we probably passed. We only need probably 400 or 500. Right, like still 2 minutes left on this candle. It's starting to wick back up already. So the ES starts moving back up. The ES is on the other side there. If it starts moving back up too, and it's a high probability we're going to get a pump back up. I think it was just taking at everybody who went long earlier. Wipe them out. There's not a ton of volume on Bookmap. There's some volume, but Yeah, I don't know. 50 seconds left. Kind of do need to squeeze now. I don't want to have it wick back down again with the next candle, then move up. I'd like for it to do it now, but all depends. $34 are holding for now. Now, I might just stay around here a little bit as it builds that shoulder and then move back up. We'll see. We will see. It's at the 50s. It swept all the liquidity. But it's so close to the VWAP, makes me nervous too. I don't like when it's that close to the VWAP when I'm long. Then I'm already in a lot of drawdown. Well, we'll see. We'll see buyers come in here and push it back up. Invalidate it, invert it for a value gap on the ES. Probably is gonna pull us up. If it takes it that low, it's not really a fair value gap or inverted head and shoulders. But we'll see. 3 minutes left. It almost feels like one of those slow dumps, but I don't know. Maybe it wants to take it low. Where is the low? The low is down at 45. That would be bad. Feeling a little support at the 50. Right, like it's so close here. It's kind of our line in the sand here. Like, if this can't hold, then we're going to have to get out. Swept the low on ES. Well, not really. Bounced off of it. $136 left on this candle. Yeah, if this don't move up, we're going to have to get out. I think it would though, right? I think that would close back up above the 34 after the VWAP touch. And then move up. That's what I'm thinking. And again, I've been wrong before. ES has swept low now. Eight seconds on this candle. Now, do we get that squeeze we were looking for? This is what we were looking for. I can see it get up to the 9, little reaction back down a bit, and then continue pushing. Or just push right on through. Because it swept all that liquidity down there now. Not the very lows, but back to the VWAP. So we'll see. It's still set up as a double bottom on the ES, but it's inverted head and shoulders on the NASDAQ. So, and that will kind of be the level we're looking for, up around the 240s. If it does, obviously. Then we're getting reaction back down a little bit off the 9. Excuse me. Taking out anybody, or setting up some more shorts. Be taken out if it pushes. See if that's going to be the case. Hopefully it is. One minute 30 left on the 5-minute candle. We can close up above, back up around my entry. Then next candle, a little dip back down maybe to the 9, then continue. We'll see. ES is pumping up pretty good. ES got to keep pushing. 47 seconds. Get up to my entry, pull back to the 9, and continue. That's the plan. Let's see. $19 seconds. Need to push now. Get above the 9 strong would be better. Show bulls are taking over, which they already are, but show more strength. 3 seconds. That's not bad. It's up about halfway. Now dip back down to the 9. Maybe a little lower, and then continue on. Or just continue if it's strong enough. Do you think up or down? What do you think? Back to the 9. Wick below it a little bit, maybe. Oh yeah, buyers are coming back in strong. Push over those highs. These highs right here. Back into the 9. Got to push strong through this entry now. Pushed up there. It might reject a little bit because that's the water block. But if it's strength there, it'll push right on through and continue right on up. Time is it? Yeah, we got 10 minutes, 9 minutes until the 10 o'clock, so it'd be nice to take it out before. With strength. Let's see. What do you think, up or down? I was down 400 or 500 a minute ago, so if it starts losing, hopefully it gets above. If it gets above here, we're good. Looking to take it to highs. ES got to keep pushing too. Let's see. Hopefully it does. Like I said, I was down 500, but back up. Just needed to squeeze right now. Just squeeze above. Get up to the 200s. 214 is the other order block up here, so I don't know. Be nice if it did. It looks like it wants to. Minute 20 left on the 5-minute candle, and we got 7 minutes until 10. Like to get a push before 10. Like to get it up before 10. That would be the best, but I don't know. This. One minute left. Got to squeeze here. Gotta get above that high. I don't want to open the other candle back here. If we do, we might have to get out because I don't think it's gonna. I think it's definitely gonna dip back into here, maybe back down to here. So I don't want to be in that if it does. Yeah, 15 seconds. Now, again, could be a little wick back down here and up. So let's see. We'll give it to the 9. See what it does at the 9. There's a lot of buyers that came in there and pushed that up. They're not going to want to give it up that easy. Just could be tricking some sellers to come in. Yeah. A little bit, yeah. Why? What is it? Yeah, give me a minute. My daughter needs milk, so I gotta go to the store. I like for this to do this sooner than later. What we got left until 10, 4 minutes. Yeah, see, I don't like this. I like it that it pushed back down into these little fair value gaps, but I don't like that it's continuing. I don't like that. See, that's what I was worried about. That's what I was worried about. Now, if we wick fast, fine. We got 3 minutes left on this candle, but if we don't, I gotta get out. I got to get out if that's not the case. Now, are we dumping down because we're going to pump up after the 10, or are we just getting ready for a dump altogether? Like, I don't know what this is. We still got our inverted head and shoulders here with the 5 minute. So, does that mean anything? Maybe it doesn't. Two minutes left on this candle until 10. There's no news today. So, yeah, this could be just back to the VWAP kind of noise. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Two minutes left on this candle. .34s are holding. Get back above the 9 with the close of this candle, then move up. Hopefully, 125 left. Gotta get back above the 9. .47 seconds left. If we don't get back above the 9, I'm going to have to get out. "26 seconds. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna see. I figured the inverted parallel gap will play out. It still might. We're at the 50. We're holding. 10 o'clock. I know. I hope it goes up too. Now would be the time to squeeze if we're going to squeeze. Get through the 34. Get through the 9. Strong. But I don't think we're going to. Yeah, we're not going to do that. Let's see. We're going to take it at the low. Let's go take it at the low. And I was wrong. Well, so much for that. All right. Well, that didn't work out. Guess I should have just stayed long. So the inverted head and shoulders might play out yet. I gotta put in some stop losses. Need to push up above this and close. Oh, I should have just stayed in. God, what did I get out for? Saying it earlier. Shouldn't have got out. Then I went short. Then it pumped up. Now I'm going long. And if it dips down again. 1 second. Above the 9. Let's go. Oh. If we get this push. If we don't, I'll just exit. Yes, gotta push, man. What do you think? Long or short? Back to the 9. Push up. We need this to squeeze now. We bounced off all this noise twice. Now would be the time to squeeze. Squeeze up aggressively. No. Maybe it's going to be a little range bound. Excuse me. Needs a pop here. Pop hard. And this would verify our inverted head and shoulders too. We can get above this. There's nothing stopping us to go up here. But if we start going back down, I gotta get out. Because I'm already down 7 and I don't want to get down anymore. But if it stays above the 9, gotta stay above the 9 EMA. (15:34) 2 is holding it down. Come on, squeeze, squeeze up. Yeah, let's get below the 9. I really don't like that. Yeah.
Mayan 23,163.75. Log 51.0.
Thanks. Oh, man, this is gross. Really thought we get a squeeze here, but I don't think we're going to. Right, like this would be a good area to squeeze to take it to highs. Now, maybe it's not going to do anything until open, so we might have to get out of this and just wait until open. Now is it just building up shorts to take them all out before it pumps? We don't know, but it could be. It does that a lot too. It'll slow down, build everybody up, have a bunch of people going short, and then it'll pop right through them all. Use that liquidity to move up. Does that all the time. Three minutes left on this candle. I just feel like if I get out, it's going to pump right through it. Just go crazy. But now if I don't get out, I feel like it's going to come down to the 34, wick me out, and then move up. I'm taking it off. Come down here. Ugh, garbage trading. It's too consolidated. It's just, it won't go. If it goes now, I'm gonna lose my shit. 1 minute 47. It's still holding. It keeps holding. I don't know. Don't know. It looks down too. Like, I feel like it wants to pop. Get above these highs for the close of that candle. 1 minute. I don't know. 35 seconds left on this candle. And this is just dump. All these wicks here. Hmm. Five seconds left. Right. Like here would be a good spot for it to pump because everybody's going short. I gotta try it. Just because the inverted head and shoulders, this is where I think if it goes, it would be a time that it would pump up there. But now would it sweep this first? Like, I don't know, would it sweep here? Back to the 34 first? Or just rip? I'm gonna try one more long and then we'll wait for open. If not. Yeah, it's going to take everybody at first. This is honestly where I think I should pump. Gotta cover my ass here. Now, come take me out and then continue. Nice. Nicely done. Just pump already. It's got to pump. Yes. Yep. Okay, hold on a second. I have to go get milk. So, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know what's gonna... I think it's gonna go. I friggin' know it's gonna go. Alright, I'm putting this on. I can't leave this on, though, because I don't have... I should have orders. A bracket order set up here. I gotta go get milk or I'm gonna get in trouble. My daughter's 17, by the way. She's not a kid. She got her license. She just doesn't want to go get dressed. Pump, pump, pump. It's not like she's 2. Get more shorts in, push up. Make can't be this hard. It can't be. It shouldn't be this hard. Just push. Rip. Rip it up. Oh my god. 12 seconds left in the candle. Get above this. Market just might be stuck until open. I don't even know. And get through the 80s. Up to here to the 91s. And then continue. There's a lot of liquidity up there at the 220s. Hurry up. I gotta go get milk. Oh my god. Would the market just let me go get milk before I get in trouble? Push, push, push. I'm gonna go get milk, and then this is gonna pump. Exactly what it's gonna do. It's gonna grind all the way up to the 228s, and I'm gonna be going to get milk. God. $2.45 left on the candle. Okay, I gotta go get milk. I can't leave this trade on as much as I want to. Actually, let's set up a bracket order here. I don't need to name it. Save. On, so I should be able to buy. It's up here. This up here. Ugh, on this market. It's disgusting. Whatever. I'm leaving it there. I gotta go get milk. Enjoy the video. Let me know if I win. Forget my phone. Which was sweet. Okay, I'll be back. I'm back. She's going to get milk. I went in, she was dressed, ready to go. Oh, can we go? Can we just go? This is the slowest squeeze I've ever seen in my life. I've seen slower moves, but I don't know when. If we don't get over to 80 this time, I'm gonna have to take it off. Because we keep not getting over the 80. My God, man. Excuse me. Just gotta pump through the 80. Up to the 90. Then continue. I don't get frustrated that much with the market, but this is really frustrating. I know where it wants to go, but it just keeps pulling back and wicking me out before it does. Over the 80s. Through the 90s. Quickly. Ugh. If it comes back down again, I'm getting out. I'm getting back in. But it should squeeze here up over the 90s. Not before taking me out. Come on. I should have probably waited for it to come back down here. But then it probably squeezed without me. It wants to go. 2 minutes until new hour. So we start pumping, new hour, continue. Or is it going to dump? Basically 1 minute left. It needs to be above the 80s. Open a new candle. If it's not, I'm going to have to get out and wait for it. $45 seconds left for new candle. New hourly candle. Closing on the hourly though wicked up. So if we can get above this before, I think we push. A lower high or a higher low on the hourly. Come on. 20 seconds left before the hourly candle. Ten seconds. Push. New hour. Push strong over the 90s. Well, that's not good. They don't have milk, apparently. I don't know. I said, that's not good. What about Lane's? It's another store. Fuck you, NASDAQ. You piece of shit. Head and shoulders. Invert it. Set up. Squeeze. It's gonna go. It's just how much is it gonna fuck with me before it goes. Get up there before the open. Take it to highs. Come on. Just go, man. Just go, just go, just go. At least to the 200s, but a lot of liquidity up at the 220s. When it does squeeze, it's going to squeeze quick. Squeeze. Come on, ES. Push up. Take out the 344s. 15 seconds left on this candle. I don't like this. I want it to push before. Yeah, I don't like that. Oh my. Yeah. I don't like that. It might come back down to 34. I like to see it drop down fast and then move up. Lots of time on this candle. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Oh my. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Fucking NASDAQ, man. Come on. It's inverted head and shoulders, right? Like, I want this to go. And I think it should go. Definitely should go. And, like, when it goes, it's gonna rip. $10.37. It might wait for open. I don't know. I hope it doesn't. Fucking yes, man. Can't get over this. Neither can this. It's gonna sweep low now. I was waiting for it in the first place. Irony. New 15-minute candle in 7 minutes. See if that makes a difference, but I don't know. New candle here in 1 minute on the 5 minute. I'd like for it to open up, obviously, but I don't know what it's going to do. Oh, it looks like it wants to dump down a bit. Sweep everything, then move up. So choppy. Yeah, okay. We're gonna wait. I'm just getting chopped up here. A lot of indecision candles, so it makes me kind of think we do push down here. It's riding the 9 though, right? Fucking 80, man. Or 83. Even if it goes now, I can't. Like, it needs to sweep that first before I can get in. Shitty deal. Yeah, like, look at these last 5 candles. It's been garbage. And that's where it'll tear you up, too. Like, I've done it 100 times before. 1,000 times before. Trading the range, get stuck. And you think it's going to keep moving up, and it keeps dipping down, taking you out. And that's what it does. 3 minutes till new 15-minute candle. I want it to come down here first, or even here, down to the 60. Sweep all this, maybe move down a little bit more, and then boom. But I might wait for open now. Or it might just take off now that I'm out. Watch it go. If it goes, I'm gonna be crazy. New 15 minute and 45 seconds. Oh my god. Right. Yes, it's pumping. Your 15-minute candle. Is the inverted head and shoulders going to play out? Liquidity all the way up. Not losing any more on this. Take me or take me out. I don't even care. $13 till open. I hate this market. I hate it. I hate it. I'm gonna just wait for open, I think. Better off. Oh my god. Oh. It's gonna crawl up there. It's gonna absolutely crawl up there. Wait for it to come down, sweep all this, and then go up, but I don't think it's going to. And if I go long, it's just gonna come down and take me out. If I go short, it's gonna pop. Market is against me. See what I mean? Gotta sweep this. Come on, baby. How much till how long till open? 7 minutes. Let's see. Let's see. 4 minutes till market open. Do we pump up and take it to highs before open? $155 until open. One minute left. Taking it off because fuck that.
Buy at 23,167.5.
Thanks.
Lot 62.0.
$20 seconds left. That's what I was thinking. Right? Look at it. Fucking look of it. What is this up here? I don't even know what that is. But I'm putting it up there.
Sell at 23,212.75. Lot 60.0. Iceberg NPU 5 CME sell at 23,207 cross 50.
Fate of the gods now. I hope it runs back up, obviously. Yeah, we're not even up over that, for fuck's sakes.
Stock NQU 5 CME buy at 23,227.25 volume 53.
The last one I can do.
Sell at 23,215.75, lot 60.0. Buy at 23,215.75, lot 60.0.
Maybe it don't want to go back up. Thought it did. And fuck you if he takes me out. Fuck you. Because it looks pumpy. Right? Because it swept all that again. Does it really want to go to the lows? Like, it looks like it wants to go up. It never swept anything on the ES. You know what I mean? It never went to these highs. So, what the fuck? Go fuck yourself. Fuck you. Fuck you in the very much.
Buy at 23,165.5, lot 57.0.
ES is dumping. NASDAQ dump.
Buy at 23,183.25, lot 54.0.
Fuck you. Fuck you. And fuck you again.
23,175, lot 60.0.
I need to move down here, boys. Go to 3 because we don't have much left. We don't have any left. There you go. That's how you kill an account quick. Fucking with this shit. Well, it is what it is, boys. This is my last account for the day, so that's all we can do. Have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.
Iceberg NQU 5 CME buy at 23,150